अगर कभी ड्रग्स लीगल हुए तो बेचोगे क्या प्रॉफिट के लिए?
मेरा सिंपल उसूल है, सरकार जो अलाउ करने की ना बेचने को मैं सब बेच दूंगा।
Education system does have a lot of problems.
इससे ज्यादा ऑफेंसिव स्टेटमेंट मैंने आज तक नहीं सुनी।
You can't be thinking just so neutral about things.
भाई अंकुर वारिकोर मेरा नाम एक सेंटेंस में नहीं लेना है।
This is real market where they're comparing you with somebody else.
Drinking to network at parties.
-10।
Good leadership skills, good people management skills.
मैं तो हर चीज में घुस जाता हूँ और मतलब हर चीज में घुस के हर जगह रहता फैलाता हूँ। दारू पी के कोई काम की बात कभी नहीं हो सकती। एंड पूरे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में वही सिखाया जाता है बॉस कि अपने आप को अपसेल करो, अपने आप को एक्सपोज मत करो, अगर तुम्हारी कोई वीकनेस भी है तो चुप होके बैठ जाओ, which maybe works, if you just want to float, but if you want to really excel and fight with the market से ज़्यादा honest कोई चीज़ ही नहीं है।
So education system does have a lot of problems. Our education system is designed to create clerks. Our education system is designed to create employees, and it has been created in that format right from schooling. So from school to college to masters, everything is designed in a manner that it leads you towards becoming an employee, to some extent a slave. And I think there are basic essential skills of life which are also not taught to us. In fact, let's say for example happiness, spirituality, let's say talking about good networking skills, good leadership skills, good people management skill, good life skills, basic ways of living in a bad situation, handling calamities, handling stress, handling pressure. All of these are real things, and this is possible to be taught, but we are not teaching any of this in our education system. So definitely our education system needs to change to be able to encapsulate all these life skill sections which I've seen happening across the globe, but not in India still. We are still struggling with the pen and paper, rote learning, and we're just creating great employees, and we're preparing in bulk, people who can follow instructions, but we are not thinking of people who can come out with ideas, who can be creative, who can do something new and different. So 100% thinking in the same direction that our education system needs to change.
इन फ्यूचर अगर कभी ड्रग्स लीगल हुए तो बेचोगे क्या प्रॉफिट के लिए?
मेरा सिंपल उसूल है, सरकार जो अलाउ करने की ना बेचने को मैं सब बेच दूंगा, पर खुद नहीं कंज्यूम करने वाला कभी। ना मैं सुट्टा मारता हूँ, ना मैं दारू पीता हूँ, और मैं झूठ भी नहीं बोलता कि मैं सुट्टा मारता हूँ या दारू पीता हूँ। कई लोगों ने ना मेरे घर में वो सोशल मीडिया में रील बनाता हूँ ना, तो रेड लेबल की बोतल देख ली तो कमेंट आते रहते हैं, क्या दोगलापन है, आपके घर में रेड लेबल की बोतल पड़ी। अबे मेरे घर में मेरा बाप भी रहता है, मेरा बाप पीता है, मैं क्या करूं? बट मेरे सिर्फ फंडे क्लियर है, मैं किसी भी सब्सटेंस अब्यूज से बहुत दूर रहता हूं। बेचने में मेरे को कोई हर्ज नहीं है अगर सोसाइटी एक्सेप्ट करती है उसको तो।
So you can't be thinking just so neutral about things. You have to take social responsibility. Are we trying to say people don't and should not have any social responsibility? You're talking as if, okay, if somebody is dying on the road and only when you get business that you'll save him, otherwise you'll not save him because you have no social responsibility, you'll walk off. Most of us do this, and I think that's not okay. So my answer to you is, if you want to be a good human being, also start helping some other people. Try doing good for people. If it is killing somebody, you better not do it. And I think have some moral values or have some ethics. And ethical business is what all professional bodies are teaching today. Everybody, the whole world needs to change to become more ethical. We may be laughing at it. We may find it so cool to become unethical and get our ways through. But my view is, no, we have to. If somebody is smoking, somebody is taking, drugs, somebody is consuming alcohol, it is bad for health, go and at least tell him 3 times. Tell him that, no, this is wrong, you don't like it and you don't want it to happen. So yes, business, you can't be just doing business for the heck of doing business. And having some level of ethical and moral responsibilities does make sense.
इससे ज़्यादा ऑफेंसिव स्टेटमेंट मैंने आज तक नहीं सुनी।
बिकॉज
मतलब मैं इतना ऑफेंड हो गया कि मैं सोच रहा हूँ उठ के चले जाता हूँ साला भी। भाई अंकुर वारिकोर मेरा नाम एक सेंटेंस में नहीं लेना है। मेरा एक ही रूल है बस, और कुछ नहीं है, कुछ भी बोल दें।
Okay, you should not be named with anybody else. Stop doing that. And this is just a way of blaspheming each other. I think respect everybody, and it is okay. So kal you might probably tomorrow come and say, Mera, don't take my name along with the Prime Minister also, don't take my name with Elon Musk also. I mean, who are you to judge people like that? I think people are seeing it, and be fair to the honest janta. You said market is honest. This is real market where they are comparing you with somebody else. That is how people see these things, right? So if you're trying to be more egoistic, I think it really fires back sometime or the other. We have to learn to be modest, we have to learn to be honest to ourselves, and it is okay, let people decide what they want to do rather than you trying to say I'm offended and I'll walk off. So I think that's what it is.
Drinking to network at parties.
-10, कोई रिलेशन ही नहीं है। दारू पी के कोई काम की बात कभी नहीं हो सकती।
Okay.
Well, because I also don't take alcohol, so I genuinely believe, yes, if at all there is business, you can do business even without having an alcohol party. But there are sometimes social connections which happen over a drink or a cup of coffee, something, and you may not have it, but others want to have it. It's casual conversation. Sometimes that, conversation over a smoke helps. You may not do it, and it's okay if you don't want to do it, but people do socialize according to this. But yes, that's not compulsory, and I've seen multiple entrepreneurs who have get their way through without taking any alcohol, without any smoke, without anything else. So it's okay to do that.
आप इन्फ्लुएंसर बन गए, हाँ बन गया मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर। भाई मेरा तो सिंपल है, मैं तो हर चीज़ में घुस जाता हूँ, ठीक है, और मतलब हर चीज़ में घुस के हर जगह रायता फैलाता हूँ, ठीक है। अब मेरे एक रील के 2.25 करोड़ व्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, 2.25 करोड़ व्यू, समझ रहा है तू, इंस्टाग्राम पे। कितना बोलते हैं उसको, 22.5 मिलियन व्यूज, ठीक है। तो भाई मैं बनाऊंगा रील, क्यों नहीं बनाऊं। एंड एक चीज बता दूं, ये जो जितना इन्फ्लुएंसर आज की डेट में कमा रहे हैं ना, तुमको असली में पता लग गया ना, तुम रो दोगे, ठीक है। मतलब तुम बोलोगे साले ये मस्ती भी कर रहे हैं, आधा टाइम वेलीपंथी करते हैं, कैमरा के आगे आके भी वेलापंथी करते हैं, और साले हमारे से 10 गुना कमा के जाते हैं, ठीक है।
Well, this is true. I think it is something to be really jealous of. YouTubing, influencer business, Instagramming is now a great career and profession. People have made millions out of this. People have made money, and we only have made them popular. So I think this has become a trend. This is making sense for people. Everybody on Shark Tank is doing this. Everybody is there for that name, not for the money that it brings them. So genuinely that is true, and we have to understand that this is a profession now. So definitely it's a profession. Ashneer is doing it. Everybody else is doing it. Let people do this. I would suggest it like a great career option. If you can also be an Instagrammer, YouTuber, influencer, please go ahead. It's a great option.
तो आपको ना HR वाले बड़े अच्छे क्लॉज साइन कराते हैं, नोटिस पीरियड, नॉन कम्पीट, नॉन सॉलिसिट, राइट, कि आप कंपीटिंग कंपनी में नहीं जा सकते मेरे बाद, आप 3 महीने नोटिस पीरियड पूरा करोगे। भाई साहब इनमें से एक भी लॉ कोर्ट में इन्फोर्सेबल ही नहीं है। मेरे को आज तक एक बंदा दिखा दे जो बोल रहा हो कि मेरे को ना मेरी कंपनी ले गई कोर्ट, और कोर्ट ने मेरे अगेंस्ट ऑर्डर दे दिया कि मैंने 3 महीने का नोटिस पीरियड बोला था, मैं तो चला गया अगले दिन, है ही नहीं। ठीक है।
So yeah, these are truths, and these are honest truths, that there is a constitutional law to work on what you feel like. Nobody can stop you. There could be financial arrangements though, so please be careful, but there could be penalties, there could be financial clauses, and that could be written in a contract. If you signed that contract, then that penalty or the financial clause is what you'll have to fulfill. Of course, nobody can stop you from leaving a job any day. Nobody can stop you from not serving or serving the notice period, and that's something completely as per your choice. So I think it's up to you. There could be a financial implication. That financial implication may be predefined. Ideally, it should be predefined. If you are an HR person, please define the financial implication in the MOU that you're signing with your employees. It will make a lot more sense. But true that as per the constitution, we have a right to work whatever wherever we want to do in this country, what is lawful. So nobody can stop you from doing any of that.
मैंने ट्विटर पे काफी पढ़ा है, लोग आपको एलॉन मस्क से कंपेयर करते हैं।
हाँ।
यार वो आई थिंक फालतू का कंपैरिजन है, ठीक है, कि एक तो इलॉन मस्क को लोगों ने क्यों भगवान बना रखा है मेरे को समझ नहीं आता, ठीक है। वो बहुत ही सुपर स्मार्ट बंदा, राइट, और मतलब मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि वो असली में दुनिया का राजा है। मतलब बात पहले होते थे ना कि अलेक्जेंडर ने इतनी ज़मीन पे राज करा, ये सब बकवास की बात है। आज के राजा हैं जुकरबर्ग और इलॉन मस्क। मतलब ये सरकार हिला सकते हैं दुनिया में किसी की भी, इनके पास पूरी टेक्नोलॉजी है और ये पूरा टाइम मज़े लेते हैं, राइट।
So I fail to understand, but a few minutes ago when I was discussing, this guy was offended for being compared to another X person or Y person. Now you are happy to talk about somebody else and having an opinion and talking about that person. So I think we all have the rights to do that. Having said this, yes, Elon Musk is doing good, no doubt about it, and Zuckerberg or Jeff Bezos or any of these people, they have done good in their fields. They're well known, they are wealthy, they are doing good stuff. But look at their lifestyle. They live a very simple lifestyle. They don't live a very fancy lifestyle. Very simple clothing, very simple lifestyle. They are humble, they are polite, and that's what makes them what they are. So we have to rather learn their qualities. They are intelligent people. They think beyond. They think 20 years ahead from today. And that's exactly what makes it what they are. So I think we have to start thinking all the good things about them and learn from them, and that's all that I can think about.
इसलिए मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को ये बोलता हूँ कि आपका जो मिशन है वो क्लियर होना चाहिए. फाउंडर बनना, फाउंडर का टैग लगाना कोई डॉक्टर की डिग्री नहीं है. आजकल एक फैशन चल गया है कि हर बंदे को अब ये लिखना है, मैं इस चीज़ का फाउंडर हूँ, मैं उस चीज़ का फाउंडर हूँ. फाउंडर लिखने से आप कूल नहीं बन जाते. वो एक क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है, वो एक एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है. फाउंडर आप तभी बनेंगे जब आप जो बिजनेस कर रहे हैं वो सही रीजन के लिए कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ कूल बनने के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो मैं तो सब एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को यही बोलूंगा कि एक चीज समझ के चलिए कि आपकी बेवकूफ़ियों के लिए और आपकी अय्याशियों के लिए मार्केट कभी पे नहीं करेगी. जो इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, मार्केट्स नेवर पे फॉर योर इनएफिशिएंसी और एक्स्ट्रावेगेंस. अगर आप इस चीज पे क्लियर हैं और आप इसको एक डिसिप्लिन तरीके से मान के चलेंगे तो आप एक बहुत अच्छे एंटरप्रेन्योर बन सकते हैं.
I can see the fear on his face, I can see the nervousness on the face, and I can realize that this is an early stage video of his career. He has not faced cameras before this. Now he seems so confident. He has grown as a person, as a speaker, and see how timid or how weak is he when he's making those statements. Over a period only that boldness comes, and what he spoke about, definitely, so you are supposed to take risk in business, you're supposed to work through yourself and think about your journey itself, how weak you were. You are all scared. Why are you scared? You were also scared when you made this video, and I think that's something that you have to understand, that this comes out of practice, this comes out of doing it 10 times. You have done it now, so it is easier. But when somebody is starting off, it is scary, it is difficult for everybody. So let's give all of these people a bit of smart, sweet pat on the back and say it's okay to do it. Give it a try, give it a shot, take some risk. It is going to happen. Don't worry, guys. It's definitely going to happen. Don't get scared by people like Ashneet, trust me.
आईटी में क्या है कि पहुंचने में इतनी पढ़ाई हो जाती है कि फिर ना लड़के बोलते हैं अब नहीं पढ़ना, मतलब. और कई बार माँ बाप भी ना गलत बोल देते हैं ना कि बस बेटा आईटी क्रैक कर लो, उसके बाद लाइफ सेट है. तो बंदों को लगता है लाइफ सेट है, अब तो मैं क्या पढ़ूंगा. तो मेरा भी यही था कि जब करा आईटी तो मेरे को पहले सेमेस्टर में लगा अब तो नहीं पढ़ना भाई, बहुत पढ़ लिया, मतलब लगवा रखी है 2 साल से हम. तो मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं करी. तो मेरे ना 7.3 CGPA होती है, मतलब 10 में से 7.3 आई. तो फिर मेरे को ना थोड़ा झटका लगा कि यार ऐसे नहीं होने वाला ये. तो आईटी ना एक धोखा है, ठीक है, जो हर लेवल पे आपको बोला जाएगा अब सेट है, अब सेट है, ठीक है. और फिर तुम्हारे को ऐसे पीयर ग्रुप में फेंक दिया जाएगा जहाँ पे हर कोई थोड़ा शाना है लड़का, कुछ फोड़ रहा है. तो तुम मतलब धीरे धीरे उस दलदल में फंसते जाओगे कि यार साला साइड वाला भी फोड़ रहा है, मैं कैसे नहीं पढ़ूँ.
So I think true and untrue to a lot of extent, but true to a lot extent, that every time, when our parents want to motivate or everybody around us wants to motivate, they say, okay, do this much, then life is set, do this much, then life is set. Once you crack IIT exam, life is set. Once you crack this exam, life is set. So definitely life is never set. Life is always a mess. Life is always a problem. There are struggles, problems, issues, which will keep coming to your life. If you clear one, there's going to be another hurdle and another hurdle and another hurdle, and just take it on your stride, just go ahead, go with the flow, do something different, try to make it happen and try to put in your best and forget the rest. I think you should not look around all the time and say, oh, this guy is doing this guy is doing this, so what should I do? You should do what you want to do, what you should do, and IIT is a great place to study. The amount of resource, amount of money that the government is spending on all our IITians is huge. So let's not try to say it's just a dhoka, it is just a sham, it is a real institution. In fact, so I have seen lot of people from the globe coming down to IITs and loving and recognizing the kind of talent that IIT has created over the years. So IIT is a great institution. I don't want to say anything against that institution. Of course, there are problems. This is mundane. The curriculum can change. A lot of problems are there. But it is creating great results, and I would want to respect those results rather than saying it's just a sham.
एक बंदे पे पैसे तब लगते हैं जब उन्हें कुछ किया होता है। मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता वो चमड़े का बना रहा है, कागज का बना रहा है, किसका बना रहा है, या पन्नी का बना रहा है, जूता बिक रहा है ना, वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। तो आप छोड़ दो ये सब, एकदम टाइम बर्बाद कर रहे हो, फैमिली बिजनेस में चले जाओ, माँ बाप से माफ़ी मांग लो, थोड़ी मार खा लो और सुधर जाओ, तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला इसमें।
Sometimes fair opinions do make sense, but not always, and I think we have to be slightly soft and polite to people. If imagine somebody tells you the same thing, how will it sound? So I think that's exactly what it is. If we say bad or rude to somebody, it's going to come back and it's going to fire. So yes, you got the final results. People started disliking you. You're no longer on Shark Tank, sir, because people did not like the attitude or the approach, or there were issues with it. So definitely we should be slightly modest, and if you want to motivate somebody for the right word, right reasons, it is okay to motivate them in the right way. So definitely. So my view is that it is, I agree on certain points. Whenever it comes to technical execution of things, I think I agree 100%. You know, whenever I felt that the way to do things and the way operations have to be done, the way you have to think while getting things done, brilliantly well thought. When it comes to having opinions on life, when it comes to, you know, motivation, softer aspects, you know, being empathetic, I think that's what I found missing. And I feel that those are also very important as an individual. So you may want to think about being a complete human being which has all elements, and there are a lot of things to learn in this entire process. Some part is how to think and execute beautifully, how to really think about focused, being systematic, being structured, having a viewpoint, have a very clear idea, know what exactly what you want to achieve, have a target, go for the goal, plan it out. All that is great, and I think Ashneer has done all of these things brilliantly done to that extent. The problem lies in being sometimes too rude, becoming so self-centered or obsessed about certain things, or making comments which may not be liked by a lot of people. You have to learn to be a little empathetic, little softer, and think about being nicer to people. It's okay to be blunt sometimes, but not in a way that it hurts somebody. So I think the same things could be said in a better way. And yeah, I think this is the only part which is missing. Everything else is great.